Teacher Reda Online Tutor. Are you ready for today's video? So, let's start.
Yay!
Children, today we are going to practice reading of 3-letter phonic words. Let's begin the video. A, B, ab. Repeat. A, B, ab. K, ab, cab. Repeat. K, ab, cab. L, ab, lab. Repeat. L, ab, lab. N, ab, nab. Repeat. N, ab, nab. Revision. Cab, cab. Lab, lab. Nab, nab. Next. A, m, am. Repeat. A, m, am. D, am, dam. Repeat. D, am, dam. H, am, ham. Repeat. H, am, ham. J, am, jam. Repeat. J, am, jam. Revision. Dam, dam. Ham, ham. Jam, jam. Next. A, g, ag. Repeat. A, g, ag. B, ag, bag. Repeat. B, ag, bag. T, ag, tag. Repeat. T, ag, tag. R, ag, rag. Repeat. R, ag, rag. Revision. Bag, bag. Tag, tag. Rag, rag. Next. A, n, an. Repeat. A, n, an. K, an, can. Repeat. K, an, can. F, an, fan. Repeat. F, an, fan. V, an, van. Repeat. V, an, van. Revision: can, fan, van. Next, app. Repeat: app. App, cap. Repeat: app, cap. App, tap. Repeat: app, tap. App, map. Repeat: app, map. Vision: cap, tap, map. Next, at. Repeat: at. At, bat. Repeat: at, bat. At, cat. Repeat: at, cat. At, rat. Repeat: at, rat. Revision: bat, cat, rat, Great job, children! Now, let's revise all the words that we have studied in the video so that you can remember all of them. Ab, cab, lab, nab. Next, am, dam, ham, jam. Next, ag, bag, tag, rag. Next, an, can, fan, van. Next, app, cap, tap, map. Next, at, bat, cat, rat. Great job, children! So, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.